Hi, welcome to Telugu IT Factory. Yeah, myself Sandeep Kumar. So I have total 15 years of experience, then 7 years in teaching and 8 years in industry. So I will cover the Excel topics like we'll discuss about Excel. So these are the content I will discuss in future future videos. So what is Excel and why we use Excel? So Microsoft Excel course introduction and Microsoft Excel fundamentals and entering and editing text and formulas, working with basic Excel functions, modifying an Excel worksheets, formatting data in Excel worksheets, inserting images and shapes into an Excel worksheet, creating basic charts in Excel, and printing an Excel worksheet, working with Excel templates. So these are the basic Excel topics I will cover. Okay, so 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 in section 2, I will cover Microsoft Excel fundamentals like launching Excel sheet, how to open Excel sheet. We have number of ways to open a Excel sheet and introduction to the Excel interface and customizing Excel quick access toolbar, understanding the structure of Excel worksheets on saving Excel data. Okay, opening an existing Excel documents, common Excel shortcuts. Okay, shortcut keys also I will cover. Okay, these are the basic shortcuts I will cover. Okay, then after that coming to section 3, so like entering text to create a spreadsheet titles. Like suppose if you open a Excel sheet, we'll give one heading, right? So suppose I'm creating a student information table, then we'll give a student information table. Like, so if you want to customize that heading, so we can how we can do customization, like how we can do that we'll discuss in, and working with numeric data in Excel. Okay, and also entering date values in Excel and working with cell references. Okay, creating basic formulas in Excel and relative versus absolute cell references in Excel. Okay, understanding the order of operations. Okay, also in section 4, I will cover working with basic Excel fundamentals like the structure of an Excel functions. Like suppose if I'm using a student, suppose I'm creating a student table. So how we'll calculate sum. Then what are the minimum marks and maximum marks and average count, also auto sum, how to use auto sum and auto fill commands and copy formulas. Okay, that I will cover in section 4. And coming to section 5, I will cover modifying an Excel worksheet, moving, copying data in Excel worksheets, inserting and deleting rows and columns, and changing the width and height of cells, hiding and unhiding Excel rows and columns, and deleting an Excel worksheets, renaming an Excel worksheet, and moving and copying and worksheets. Okay, these are the sections, these are the topics I'll cover in section 5. And coming to section 6, formatting data in Excel worksheet, like working with font. Like suppose like I have given one heading, okay, that I have to give like fonts. Like suppose normally we'll use 12, right, font size. Though then suppose I want to increase that font size. Suppose I want to increase heading as 20, then I want to give some background color, otherwise I want to give them font color. These things I will cover. Okay, changing the background colors and adding borders, formatting data as currency value. Suppose I have entered 10,000, that I want to convert into, like I want to give some symbol like a currency symbol, how will you. Okay, formatting percentages and using Excel format painters, creating styles to format data. Like suppose I have a row heading. That row heading I want to give some styles. So we'll see in future like how we'll give. Okay, then after that merging and centering cells. Okay, using conditional formatting. So these I will cover in section C. Then coming to section 7, inserting images. Like suppose I want to image, suppose I have a student information table. In that student information I want to insert that student images also. That we'll see how we'll do. Okay, then inserting Excel shapes. Suppose I want to insert some shapes, like suppose I have a page, I want to move from one page to another page. So I will give some like I will give some shape that suppose I want to click that shape, so it will move to next page or it will go to back. So, so that we'll see in the future. And formatting Excel shapes and working with Excel Smart Art. Okay, so that we'll cover in session 7. Then coming to section 8, creating basic charts in Excel, right? Creating an Excel column chart, bar chart, and modifying charts. Okay, then moving chart, another worksheet, and working with Excel pie charts also. Okay, that will cover in session 8. And coming to section 9, printing an Excel worksheet, like viewing your document in print preview. Like suppose sometimes what will happen means we have entered data that will move to second page that we don't know, like, so if you go to print preview, we'll see like how many pages are there, so that we can adjust into one page. That we'll see in the session 9. Okay, changing the margins, scaling and orientations, and working with page layouts. Like suppose I have had some headings and footers. Okay, so that we'll see in session 9. And coming to session 10, working with Excel templates, like insert Excel templates, opening an existing templates, creating custom templates. That will cover in the section 10. Okay, then after that, these are the basics. Then after that I will cover advanced Excel topic. Okay, advanced Excel topics, so I'll cover like Excel list functions, Excel data validations, importing, exporting data, Excel pivot tables, working with Excel Power Pivot tools, working with large sets of Excel data, also working with Excel conditional functions and loop functions. Okay, so HLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, these are the main important topics. Real time we'll use like pivot tables, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP. In real time we'll use, most probably we'll use these are the functions. Okay, then text based functions. Okay, auditing and Excel worksheets, protecting Excel worksheets and workbooks. Okay, and then what if analysis. Okay, then repetitive tasks in Excel with using macros. Okay, these are also important topic in, so these topics I will cover in future classes. Okay, so these are the main topics I will cover, like basic Excel and advanced Excel topics. Okay, thank you.